Have you been looking for a simple way to tie your aso-oke by yourself and at the comfort of your room? Now, come closer. Have a seat at the front and let's do this one together. This material I'm using is a very small material, but regardless, if you have a lengthy material or longer material, you can try this out as well. For the very first step, we are going to pick first edge up and use a band to grab just a little, or let me say it depends on the length of your material. This material is small, so I just picked a bit up and I secure it with band, dip it in and wear it up like a cap. So let's go to the second step. After you adjust the side like this, the flap or the excess is at the front, right? So you grab another band and use it to hold it. So if you want to tie this style, you need band and you need pin to do this. If you are looking for a pinless or rubber bandless head wrap with aso-oke, kindly visit my page and watch more detailed video about pinless head wrap. I have like 2, 3, 4 of them, so you can visit for more. Now let's go back to what we were doing earlier. You see, after wrapping up with the band, I pleated everything down. Then I begin to take it around my head. I'm going to, as I'm taking around, I'm going to continue to pleat to make it neat. So I'm at the front and I'm going to make that pleat very neat. Then the band that I used earlier will be opened up where I'll be dipping the excess material that I have here, pull the excess out and create a very beautiful style with it. So the very first style that came to my mind is to stretch the angle to sides like this, and I use my pin to tag them down. So I took my time to adjust it properly, secure the edges down, and make sure I adjust all adjustables. Then I have my head wrap looking so simple. So take note, the band you use should be the color of your material if you don't have a bird to cover up or to beautify or any flower. So I added it to cover up the band, and this is the final look. Follow for more and don't forget to give me a like. Bye.